Generally, in agency law, a principal may be liable for its agent's acts when the agent has actual or apparent authority to act on the principal's behalf, subject to the principal's control. However, even if an agent acts without authority, the principal may become liable for the agent's acts through ratification. But can a principal ratify the acts of a person who's not his agent, but acts as his agent? In Evans v. Ruth, the Pennsylvania Superior Court considered this question. In the fall of 1933, Homer Ruth, the owner of a lumber and supply company, was awarded 2 purchase orders by the Pennsylvania State Department to provide crushed stone for highway construction. At the same time, James Evans was hired by an unidentified foreman to deliver the crushed stone to various sites for Ruth. From late October to late November that year, Evans hauled the stone based on an oral agreement that Evans would be paid 40 cents per ton for the deliveries. After each delivery, Evans gave the foreman a receipt for his work and kept a copy for himself. After completing all the deliveries, Evans and a few other drivers went to Ruth's place of business and presented him with the bills. Ruth acknowledged the bills and said he'd pay them, but only offered a portion of what was due, which Evans didn't accept. Subsequently, Evans sued Ruth in Pennsylvania County Court for a sumsit, seeking to recover the money owed to him under the oral contract. In response, Ruth denied liability, arguing that he subcontracted with George Darr to perform the work for the purchase orders, and that Darr was responsible for paying the stone deliveries. At trial, Darr testified that he contracted with Ruth to perform the work, had never been on the job, and had 2 foremen who kept the records. However, Darr was judgment-proof because he was in financial trouble and owed numerous creditors money. Also, Evans wasn't aware that Ruth had subcontracted with Darr, and there was no way for him to know of the arrangement. Following trial, the court found in favor of Evans. Ruth appealed to the Pennsylvania Superior Court.